Welcome to this year's US Partner Summit. Today's event is all about you, connecting, learning, looking ahead.
The Umbraco community is amazing. It's electric, it's very inclusive. Everyone's very excited to share their ideas.
Here it's about what this agency has learned, sharing it with this other agency and building the name of Umbraco.
One of the little bits of magic that Umbraco has is the people that are helping you build solutions, the leadership team, and how they really have open arms for the community.
We're working together with you and our community to ensure that we provide the right tools for the right people.
It's just great to see the leadership here, see them face to face, get a chance to talk with them.
It's very informal, it's casual. People are able to ask questions. They're able to network with the best minds in the room to talk all things Umbraco.
If Umbraco Compose was available at the beginning of the project, it probably would have saved us hundreds of APIs that we had to develop to integrate data across systems, which we estimated was like $300,000.
We're in pitches together, we're working on highly technical requirements, and to get a time where you can build a relationship with them, it's really important.
It's super important to be paying attention to all of the changes in the industry, and events like this allow us to really stay on top of what's moving forward.
You should come to the event to really build on the community, learn from other people, just make those connections. I guarantee you business will grow.